You don't need to see the whole path. Just the next 5 steps. Most people freeze because they think they need a perfect plan. They sit in mental traffic, analyzing every possible turn, while life keeps moving. Overthinking isn't intelligence. It's control addiction. You're trying to predict the storm instead of learning how to walk through rain. Clarity doesn't come from knowing everything. It comes from acting on what you already know. The mind quiets when motion begins. You don't conquer overthinking by thinking less. You conquer it by moving anyway. Stop asking where you'll end up. Start asking where you actually stand. You can't move strategically if you're blind to your position. Before chasing the finish line, define the field. What do you know? What don't you? What's in your control? Overthinkers try to see 10 miles ahead. Masters just look down and notice their footing. Reality check is the first clarity. You don't need to predict. You need to perceive. And perception starts by facing what is, not what might be. Thinking never ends. But action cuts the loop. The brain spirals because it has nowhere to go. One small move breaks that pattern. Send the message, make the call, sketch the idea. Movement destroys the illusion of confusion. Every step forward reveals the next question, but only to those already walking. You don't escape overthinking with answers. You escape it with velocity. You don't need the map, just the next 5 moves. Write only 5 steps, not 50. 1. Gather facts. 2. Choose direction. 3. Execute. 4. Observe. 5. Adjust. That's it. That's your visible edge of control. Beyond that is fog. And fog isn't failure. It's feedback. You're meant to see just enough to act. The rest unfolds when you move. Wisdom isn't seeing far. It's knowing how near to look. After every 5 steps, stop, breathe, reevaluate. The horizon moves with you. Life isn't a puzzle to solve. It's a terrain to navigate. Overthinking dies when presence takes over. You don't need to predict the maze. You just need to keep walking until the walls rearrange. Every master you admire didn't know the full path either. They just kept taking the next 5 steps until clarity caught up. Subscribe for more truth. Rare mind isn't about seeing the future. It's about moving through uncertainty with grace.